Meanwhile, in Jone, Soviet Jone, New York City College of Technology researchers yesterday showed its computer instrument prototype. Since computer repairs $30 turns out to be $99 welcome from New York City. With Big City Trillium Jones Yellow Pages superstar VPX.com to his story in New York 1995 only speaks English high school and most multi-career young computer college and college. Tim has computer repair jobs more than 10 years. Most hunting computer engineering career. My iPhone, my Facebook, my Lamborghini car. Coming out in New York, my first young career. So hard to make it. My name is Tim. I'm American. I love New York City. Big City, Harry Jones, Yellow Pages, Superstars, www.bkx.com. Location. BK Appleton to Canada, Toronto. Toronto is big city, very close to New York City. Just 3 hours bus New York to Toronto. It is only speak English city. I like Toronto City. Toronto Smith 411. CN Tower. Niagara Falls Day Tour from Toronto. Honeymoons and family vacations. I am come from New York City. I like Toronto. My name is Tim. Tim is American. Things to do in New York City. Toronto Smith 411. Welcome from to Toronto vacation. BKX.com. Chrystie 10. Toronto also has fireworks. Toronto Smith 411. Toronto, the capital of the province of Ontario, is a major Canadian city. The CN Tower is a 553.3 m high concrete communications located in the downtown core of Toronto, Ontario, Canada. Built on the former railway land, it was completed in 1976. Its name, CN, originally referred to Canadian National, the railway company that built the tower. CN Tower is Canada Nation Tower. The Toronto only speak English. Welcome to Canada, Toronto. Toronto is Big City, very close New York City. Just 3 hours bus New York to Toronto. It is only speak English city. I like Toronto City. Toronto Smith 411. CN Tower. Niagara Falls Day Tour from Toronto. Honeymoons and family vacations. I am come from New York City. I like Toronto. My name is Tim. Tim is American. Things to do in New York City. Toronto Smith 411. Welcome come to Toronto vacation. BKX.com. Chrystie 10. Toronto also has fireworks. Toronto Smith 411. Toronto, the capital of the province of Ontario, is a major Canadian city. The CN Tower is a 553.3 m high concrete communications located in the downtown core of Toronto, Ontario, Canada. Built on the former railway land, it was completed in 1976. Its name, CN, originally referred to Canadian National, the railway company that built the tower. CN Tower is Canada Nation Tower. The Toronto only speak English. Welcome to Canada, Toronto. Toronto is Big City, very close New York City. Just 3 hours bus New York to Toronto. It is only speak English city. I like Toronto City. Toronto Smith 411. CN Tower. Niagara Falls Day Tour from Toronto. Honeymoons and family vacations. I am come from New York City. I like Toronto. My name is Tim. Tim is American. Things to do in New York City. Toronto Smith 411. Welcome come to Toronto vacation. BKX.com. Chrystie 10. Toronto also has fireworks. Toronto Smith 411. Toronto, the capital of the province of Ontario, is a major Canadian city. The CN Tower is a 553.3 m high